Here we go.
Another soap.
Cold process soap making. The Starfish Enterprise. And here's what we're working with. These crazy little starfish I made. That was quick. I didn't even describe the sponges or the shells.
Yeah. Well,
what's wrong with me?
We'll
Anywho. Ah, there we go. There's our color palette. Little soap dough shells and sponges. Sea sponges. And starfish with sugar candy eyeballs. They'll just dissolve. Don't worry. Don't eat them. But don't worry about them either. Let's add some lye water solution to our oils and get started.
I thought this was called On the Beach for some reason. I don't know why.
No, it was never called on. It's the silliest soap I've ever done. It's ridiculous. Starfish. Anyway, it just, whatever. I had the soap dough left. I looked at the colors and I was like, this belongs on a beach. So we're making starfish. Whizzy, let's get busy.
It turned out great, didn't it?
It smells great, but I think it's really silly. It's a silly soap. What can I say?
Wait, hey, when you get a bar and you're in the shower in the bath, you might think, oh, it reminds me of going away on holidays, on vacation.
Yeah, it's a mix. It's a proprietary blend of Calypso Sun.
Oh, sorry.
Bless you. Gesundheit.
Good grief.
Twice.
Sorry about that. This is all this pollen flying around everywhere.
Proprietary blend of Karma and Calypso Sun. Mixed at proportions that will knock your socks off.
Well, I didn't know Karma had a smell.
It actually does, you know. You smell it. You smell it if you got Karma coming. But no, Karma's a beautiful scent. From Wendy Point Soap Supplies, both of those. Calypso Sun and Karma. It smells really beachy, but it smells like an evening at the beach, if you know what I mean. I don't know how else to describe that. So, piping color. It's not going to be as dark as you think, because there's very little color in that.
Well, that's a light blue and it's not really dark, but yeah.
It comes out very light. Very, very, very light. There we go. In fact, I'm not sure it's a blue. It's more like
an aquamarine.
Aquamarine, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice colour.
Yeah. It's almost translucent because I didn't go heavy with the micas. So, what should we talk about? Adult kids?
No.
We were trying to figure out when at what age they start appreciating you.
Yeah, exactly.
My answer was when you're dead. So
yeah, they forget all the things you do for them and the standing by and
yeah.
They just remember the drop catches.
Yeah, I think it's when I'm dead. That's when I don't know. I mean, I went through a phase when I was about 40 where I started appreciating my dad for everything he did. But now that he's almost 80 and the way he's acting, which is like more childish again, I'm just like frustrated with him all the time. So it's just a cycle that never ends.
Yeah, exactly.
We might get 10 years of appreciation and then we're going to turn into children again. And our kids are going to be like, what am I going to do with this person?
Yeah, exactly.
I don't know. I think you get appreciated when you're dead. Honestly, I do. But I don't mean to be so, what do you call it? What do you call that?
Negative?
Yeah, negative. I'm not trying to be negative. I'm just being silly. Oh, there's my color palette.
Again, that looks like a cerise salmon pink colour.
It does, but I want to say that's orange, but am I wrong?
Yeah, cerise is a red.
No, like not on the palette, but in the glass. Is it orange?
No, it's more pink, but yeah, it's got orange tint. Yeah, I mean, someone would say that's an orangey red.
Well, what I'm trying to say is mine is obviously more bright neon. I thought it needed that, so I went a little heavy with the.
Yeah, there's so many different colours now, shades of things. You really just mess with it and try and guess it.
You can't start yawning. We got one more video to narrate.
That's alright, it's a hot day. Humidity's high.
It's really hot here. It's
Didn't
like
sleep a lot last night because we had some massive thunderstorms here, so I woke up for them. George was quivering because he doesn't like it.
little doggy George.
I had to settle him back down, and then you got the heat of the day and the humidity.
By the way, if you like watching soap videos happen in under 60 seconds, go to my Instagram, Fruits of a Loon, soap making, and I often post this entire video you're seeing right here. I'll post it in time-lapse mode in under 60 seconds.
Yeah.
So if you enjoy that sort of thing, go check it out.
Yeah, really good.
So here with the bottom layer, I gave it 5 minutes so that I could texture the bottom layer. Watch how ridiculous I get. Layer number 2.
I'm using the spoon method again, I see.
I'm using my shovel, which is in the description below. You can get it at Amazon with ice cream scoop.
Yeah.
And that shovel's great. It gets into corners. Best thing ever. Stupid, but good. It just seems like with every layer I get less sculpty with the layers, but it still turns out okay.
Yeah, it's almost like a mustard colour, isn't it?
Yeah, but I think it lightens up quite a bit, that one. That's Nurture Soap. Is it Yellow Vibrance? Or it doesn't matter because all of their colors are great. It's a pigment. But like, I mean, look, I didn't even give it 5 minutes to set up. And here we go with layer 3. I just wanted like random uneven layers. Things were getting thick, and you know, here comes a big truck. Sorry about the noise in the background. Let's let it go by.
It's almost like
Sounds like a damn plane.
Yeah, no, that's almost like a metallic blue, isn't it?
That's a nice blue. Couldn't make it again if I tried. Are you done, truck? Good God, it's a mile away and I can still hear it. Layer 4.
Orangey,
Whatever
red
color that
cerise,
is.
Whatever.
Really thick.
It actually looks like more orange now you're pouring it.
I thought it was orange. It's
me
neon. It's neon.
Orangey terracotta.
Orange.
Lebanese villas, Spanish villas, I think.
Any of the neons from Windy Point Soap Supplies are great. Just put that out there. But I'm sorry if it's hurting your eyes. It does seem quite bright. It'll tone down. So this is the 4th video we're narrating, and then I have to make more soap.
I thought it was the 3rd.
No, this is number 4, I think. Oh, no, you're right. This is number 3. Sorry.
Number 3.
I can't count. And I forgot to turn my phone off. Sorry. I'm not even going to read that because I'm with you guys right now and my kids can wait. So time to whip up the piping a little. Translucent. I think I already said that. Just wanted it really light. Aquamarine-ish. You know what color's hard to make?
What?
Tiffany blue. It's impossible to get it perfect, I swear. I haven't seen anybody get it.
Tiffany blue.
Yeah, it's
Is
like
that a dark blue then?
No, it's like I'm not good at describing colors, but is it? Come on, people, help me out. Is it aquamarine blue? It's a really pretty blue greenish thing. Stop it now. Stop it, kids. I'm busy. Let's get piping here. See, that doesn't look aquamarine anymore. It just looks light blue. Doesn't it?
Sea greeny blue, yeah.
Yeah. Which is, which is good. I'm starting to get an OCD with this piping tip. I don't like the peaks that it leaves because they, some go to the right, some go to the left, some go straight up, some go, I just want to knock them all down. It drives me insane. But, oh well, you're putting embeds in it after anyway, so you're not going to see it, right?
I like that texture. Good.
I mean, look at those peaks though. It drives you. It looks like a bad haircut or something.
I'm telling you, it definitely reminds me of ice gems.
Let's put some shimmer on that.
Shimmer, 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 shimmer.
That looks like a bad mohawk haircut.
Shim, shimmy, shim, shimmy, shim, shimmy, shim.
Thank God. Thank God we're putting something in there to squish those peaks down because they're driving me nuts. Absolutely crazy. So the eyes on those, there's my little sponges and seashells.
They're really good.
The eyes on those are made out of sugar. Did I already say that or was that another video?
I can't remember.
Okay. They're just like, you know, the things you buy to make cookies, little sugar eyeballs. They will dissolve, but do not eat them. Now look, I was one short again. I can't count, I swear.
And there go the seashells. The conches and the seashells.
Conches.
3 different... Oh no, it's 4 different shapes.
Yeah,
Ping pong.
yeah.
And now for the lovely glitter.
My moon. Biodegradable glitter. Available on Amazon. I bought the kit. It's cheaper that way. So if you go to Amazon, in the description... Hi Gabe, we're narrating. In the description below, you'll see Moon biodegradable sparkles. And I think it links to a kit, which is much more affordable than the single pots.
Yeah.
If you want to try that out. I love those sparkles. They're great. Time to slice. Let's see how this goes. Just about knocked the pour out. It's a very tall soap. I remember having difficulty slicing. There we go. Just random layers. You know? Oh, I just knocked a shell off. We'll put that back on. We'll put that back on. Cute little guy at the top, isn't it?
Yeah. Peeking out.
Peekaboo.
Like he's peeking out from a load of ice cream.
In the shower. Peekaboo, I can see you naked.
Yeah.
Creepy. Anyway. So, oh my... I've never done that before. Do you see anything weird about this?
What?
I don't have sleeves on.
Oh, right. Oh, well.
You always should have sleeves on when you're doing soap. It must have been really hot.
Yeah, it probably was.
What was I gonna say? We might do like Wednesday live chats or something.
Yeah, something to share. You know, we can
Just
talk about.
We can just talk shit. It doesn't matter. Just talk about whatever. And there it is. Starfish Enterprise. So, if you like listening to us babble, hit the red button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. Thanks so much for watching.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye.
Bye, bye.
Bye.
Bye, bye.